Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to cash out from Coins.ph to GCash. So let's dive in. First, go ahead and log into your Coins.ph account, then head to your portfolio. From there, you want to choose withdraw, then select cash out. On the next page, you want to scroll down to e-wallets, or normally GCash can also be found in the top picks. Simply choose GCash as the option. Then from here, you want to enter the amount, then choose either InstaPay or PesoNet. Keep in mind though that once you choose InstaPay, there will be a fee of normally 10 pesos. Then once you're done with the amount, click next. And finally, just simply enter the account name and the account number. And once done, simply choose next to confirm and proceed with the transfer. And that's it. Now you know how to cash out from Coins.ph to GCash in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!